Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the door gasket on your LG front-load washer. First, always prioritize safety by unplugging the machine from its power outlet to prevent any electrical hazards. Next, gather your essential tools: a new LG door gasket, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Finally, ensure the washer drum is completely empty of any clothing or items before we begin the replacement process. Now, let's remove the old gasket. Begin by locating the outer spring clamp that secures the gasket to the washer's front. Carefully pry it off using your flathead screwdriver. Once the outer clamp is off, gently pull the front of the gasket away from the machine. Reach into the drum to find the inner spring clamp, which you can remove with your pliers. With both clamps detached, you can now completely remove the old, worn-out gasket. With the old gasket removed, it's time to install the new one. First, align the new LG door gasket, making sure the small drain holes are positioned at the bottom. Carefully fit the inner lip of the gasket around the washer's inner drum flange. Next, reinstall the inner spring clamp, ensuring it's perfectly seated in its groove. Finally, stretch the outer lip of the gasket over the front panel and secure it firmly with the outer spring clamp. You're almost done. Double-check that both the inner and outer spring clamps are fully and evenly seated, providing a tight seal. Close the washer door and visually inspect the new gasket for a proper fit. Now, you can safely reconnect your LG washer to its power source. For a final check, run a short, empty wash cycle. This will help you confirm there are no leaks and that your new gasket is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.